to my channel. Today we are going to talk about some important question for NEET, BSc Nursing, Paramedical, CUT and other entrance exam from the chapter Sexual Reproduction in Flowering Plants. This is our second part of our video. So let's start the video. Question number first. In angiosperm, the site of sexual reproduction is A. Seed, B. Fruits, C. Flower, D. Embryo. The correct answer is C. Flower. Question number second. Night blooming flowers are generally A. Lightweight, B. Blooming clusters, C. Brightly colored, D. Senatate. The correct answer is D. Senatate. Question number 3. Intine of pollen grains is made of A. Cellulose, B. Pectocellulose, C. Cellulose, D. Fat-like sporopollen. The correct answer is B. Pectocellulose. Question number 4. Exine of pollen grains is formed A. Cellulose, B. Pectocellulose, C. Lignocellulose, D. Sporopollenin. The correct answer is D. Sporopollenin. Question number 5. Arrangement of 4 wall layers in microsporangium from inside to outside is as follows. A. Epidermis, endothecium, tapetum and middle layers. B. Epidermis, middle layers, endothecium and tapetum. C. Epidermis, endothecium, middle layers and tapetum. D. Tapetum, middle layers, endothecium and epidermis. The correct answer is D. Tapetum, middle layers, endothecium and epidermis. Question number 6. The advantage of cross fertilization in plants is A. Increased genetic recombination, B. That meiosis can occur, C. Greater efficiency of pollination, D. That no flowering is needed. The correct answer is increased genetic recombination. Question number 7. A typically angiosperm embryo sac is A. 8 nucleate 7 celled, B. 7 celled 7 nucleate, C. 7 nucleate 8 celled, D. 8 nucleate 8 celled. The correct answer is A. 8 nucleate 7 celled. Question number 8. Which agent is most commonly used by grasses? A. Wind, B. Water, C. Birds, D. Biotic agent. The correct answer is A. Wind. Question number 9. Largest cell of the ovule is option number A. Megaspore mother cell, B. Antipodal cell, C. Central cell, D. Size of cell is variable. The correct answer is C. Central cell. Question number 10. An advantage of cleistogamy is A. More vigorous offspring, B. No dependence of pollinators, C. Vivipary, D. Higher viability of seeds. The correct answer is B. No dependence of pollinators. Question number 11. In most of the water pollinated species, pollen grains are protected from wetting by A. Mucilaginous covering, B. Agar coating, C. Algin coating, D. Pectose coating. The correct answer is A. Mucilaginous covering. Question number 12. Tallest flower of the world is of A. Rafflesia, B. Amorphophallus, C. Yucca, D. Fig. The correct answer is B. Amorphophallus. Question number 13. Most common abiotic pollinators are A. Wind, B. Water, C. Both A and B, D. Bees. The correct answer is A. Wind. Question number 14. Many insects may consume pollen or the nectar without bringing about pollination. Such floral visitors are referred to as option number A, pollen robbers, B, nectar robbers, C, pseudocopulators, D, both A and B. The correct answer is D, both A and B. Question number 15. Removal of anther from the floral buds before the anther dehiscence is called A, anthesis, B, bagging, C, emasculation, D, capping. The correct answer is C, emasculation. Question number 16. Which of the following elements is essential for the germination of pollen tube? A, calcium, B, boron, C, magnesium, D, molybdenum. The correct answer is B, boron. Question number 17. Cleistogamous flowers is found in A, tobacco, B, mirabilis, C, viola, D, none of the above. Correct answer is C, viola. Question number 18. Myrmecophily is pollination by A, birds, B, moths, C, ants, D, birds. The correct answer is C, ants. Question number 19. In flowers which open once in their lifetime is called A, cleistogamous, B, polycarpic, C, cleistocarpic, D, monocarpic. The correct answer is monocarpic, D. Question number 20. Endosperm is not completely consumed by developing embryo in A. Option number A, gram, option B, bean, option C, castor, option D, pea. Correct answer is C, castor. Question number 21. Non-albuminous seeds occur in A, maize, B, wheat, C, rice, D, Vallisneria. The correct answer is D, Vallisneria. Question number 22. The thousands of year-old viable seeds of Lupinus arcticus excavated from A, Arctic tundra, B, King Herod Place near the Dead Sea, C, Rohtak Pass near Manali, D, tropical Pacific island. The correct answer is A, Arctic tundra. Question number 23. Among the following, which compound can induce seed dormancy? A, gibberellins, B, caffeine, C, ABA, D, potassium nitrate. The correct answer is C, ABA. Question number 24. An example of a naturally occurring parthenocarpic fruit is A, guava, B, mango, C, banana, D, apple. The correct answer is C, banana. Question number 25. Aileron stores A, protein, B, lipid, C, starch, D, all of the above. Correct answer is A, protein, lipids. Question number 26. Formation of gametophyte directly from sporophyte without meiosis is A, apospory, B, apogamy, C, parthenogenesis, D, amphimixis. The correct answer is A, apospory. Question number 27. The point of attachment of the stalk with the seed is A, hilum, B, macrophyll, C, tegmen, D, plumule. The correct answer is A, hilum. Question number 28. Embryo sac is to ovule is to anther. A, stamen, B, filament, C, pollen grains, D, androecium. The correct answer is C, pollen grains. Question number 29. Transfer of pollen grains from the anther to stigma of another flower of same plant is called A. Xenogamy, B. Autogamy, C. Geitonogamy, D. Allogamy. The correct answer is C. Geitonogamy. Question number 30. Which part of the reproductive structure produces both enzyme and hormones? A. Archaeosporium, B. Middle layer, C. Tapetum, D. Endothecium. The correct answer is C. Tapetum. Question number 31. Pollen grains are long and ribbon-like in C. Grasses, B. Vallisneria, D. Hydrilla, D. Oxalis. The correct answer is A. C. Grasses. Question number 32. What is the edible part in lychee and mango respectively? A. Mesocarp and epicarp, B. Flesieril and mesocarp, C. Endosperm, D. Pericarp and Flesieril. Correct answer is B. Flesieril and mesocarp. Question number 33. In water hyacinth and water lily, pollination take place by A. The water currents only, B. Wind and water, C. Insect and water, D. Insect or wind. The correct answer is D. Insect or wind. Question number 34. In some plants, thalamus contributes to fruit formation. Such fruit are termed as A. Aggregate fruit, B. True fruit, C. Parthenocarpic fruit, D. False fruits. The correct answer is D. False fruit. Question number 35. Pollen grains can be stored for several years in liquid nitrogen having temperature of A. -120 degrees centigrade, B. -80 degrees centigrade, C. -190 degrees centigrade, D. -160 degrees centigrade. The correct answer is C. -196 degree centigrade. Thank you.